Hi guys, welcome to my channel Retro Quiz. Welcome to our quiz about retro cars. You'll test your knowledge of iconic models that defined an era. Rules. You'll see a picture of a classic car and 4 answer options. Only one answer is correct, and each correct answer gives you 1 point. Try to get the perfect score of 10 points. Ready? Let's go.
Question 1. This American sedan became a symbol of style and reliability in the 1970s. A. 1971, Chevrolet Caprice Classic. B. 1972, Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme. C. 1973, Pontiac Lemons. D. 1974, Ford Granada. Correct answer B. 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme. Fun fact. The Cutlass Supreme was one of the best-selling cars of the 1970s, offering affordable luxury and dependable engineering. Friends, welcome to my channel. Help me reach an important goal, 500 subscribers. Subscribe right now to support me and inspire the creation of new content. Your support means so much to me. Question 2. This Italian supercar was famous for its design and speed. A. 1971, Maserati Bora. B. 1975, Ferrari Dano 308 GT4C 1974, De Tommaso Longchamp. D. 1970 Iso Grifo Series II. Correct answer A. 1971 Maserati Bora. Fun fact, the Maserati Bora was the brand's first car with a mid-mounted V8 engine, delivering exceptional handling and performance. Question 3. This Japanese hatchback became popular for its efficiency and practicality. A. 1972, Nissan Cherry FII. B. 1976, Mitsubishi Colt. C. 1974, Suzuki Fronte Hatch. D. 1975, Mazda Familia Rotary. Correct answer D. 1975 Mazda Familia Rotary. Fun fact, the Familia Rotary was one of the first hatchbacks to feature a rotary engine, making it a unique choice for daily driving. Question 4. This British sports car stood out with its aerodynamic design. A. 1973, TVR 2500M. B. 1975, Lotus Elite. C. 1971, Marcos GT V6. D. 1970 Jensen Interceptor FF. Correct answer B. 1975 Lotus Elite. Fun fact, the Lotus Elite was one of the first cars with a fiberglass body, reducing weight and improving performance. Question 5. This American pickup truck became legendary for its power and durability. A. 1971, Dodge Power Wagon. B. 1973, Chevrolet C10 Cheyenne. C. 1974, Ford F250 Highboy. D. 1976 GMC Sierra Grande. Correct answer C. 1974, Ford F250 Highboy. Fun fact, the Highboy was a favorite among farmers and workers for its high ground clearance and powerful V8 engine. Question 6. This Swedish car was known for its minimalist design and innovative construction. A. 1974, Saab 99 Combi Coupe. B. 1974, Volvo 164 TE. C. 1976, Saab 90. D. 1975, Volvo 262C. Correct answer A. 1974, Saab 99 Combi Coupe. Fun fact, the Saab 99 was the company's first car with a turbocharged engine, launching a new era for the brand. Question 7. This American muscle car was powerful yet affordable for enthusiasts. A. 1971, Plymouth Duster 340. B. 1973, Dodge Charger SE C. 1972, Ford Torino Cobra D. 1974, Pontiac GTO. Correct answer A. 1971, Plymouth Duster 340. Fun fact, the Duster 340 had a V8 engine with 275 horsepower, making it a great budget-friendly option for speed enthusiasts. Question 8. This French car combined luxury with off-road capabilities. A. 1977 Matra Rancho. B. 1972 Peugeot 504 brake. C. 1973 Renault 16TX DD 1970. Alpine A310. Correct answer A. 1977 Matra Rancho. Fun fact, the Rancho was a forerunner of modern crossovers, blending the comfort of a car with the utility of an off-roader. Question 9. This Italian sedan offered a sporty character and luxury. A. 1971 Alfa Romeo 2000 Berlina. B. 1973 Fiat 130. C. 1974 Lancia Beta Berlina D. 1976 Maserati Quattroporte 3. Correct answer B. 1973 Fiat 130. Fun fact, the Fiat 130 featured advanced technology, including power steering and an automatic transmission, uncommon for its time. Question 10. This American hatchback became a symbol of compact cars in the 1970s. A. 1975 Chevrolet Monza. B. 1974 AMC Gremlin. C. 1976 Ford Pinto. D. 1972 Plymouth Cricket. Correct answer B. 1974 AMC Gremlin. Fun fact, the AMC Gremlin was the first American subcompact car, introduced in response to the growing demand for small and efficient vehicles.
Results, 10 points. Incredible. You're a true car expert. 8 to 9 points. Great job. You know your rare cars well. 5 to 7 points. Not bad. Keep learning more about the classics. 1 to 4 points. Good attempt. There's always room to improve. 0 points. Don't worry, try again.